Perfect timing. What's up, dude?
We just did some ghetto stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You guys get road killed?
Yeah, for sure. We had a spare tire, but it was a 5-lug, and the Beetle's 4-lug. So we turned the 5-lug into a 4-lug with the hole saw. Start after we got the new tire back on. So.
Oh, God. Holy shit. That's quite the...
It went south quick, really.
That's a first drive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense then.
What? Yeah.
New setup. Oh, wow, the autofocus is really good this close right now for some reason.
The Pages camera?
Yes. Not right now, though.
Well, looks like
is it autofocusing pretty good? 2 faces. It's like, it wants to, but it won't. Okay. Well, either way. Jake's here. And you guys are inside the step van. We're outside because it's raining and the camera needs to be safe because it's the most expensive part of what I'm doing. Except for, obviously, the engines and the... Anyways, yeah. This is the most production cost. Good Lord, I can't speak
Most
English.
necessary, really.
Right, yes. It's the, yeah, it is literally the most necessary. So what we're doing today is we are in the step van, and Jake was kind enough to rebuild the carburetor for me. It looks amazing. You guys will see that in a second. It looks fantastic. So we're gonna go snag that, give it a quick little like to make sure everything seems all dialed. I think we may have missed a spring.
We'll have to find that.
I mean, I think we have the spring. I don't think it's, I don't know. But we're gonna go take a look at that, and then we're gonna get the step van started today, hopefully. Assuming we don't have to build an ark.
Yeah.
Because, you know, Washington, what are you gonna do? Yeah, he knocked over something the other day, and it scared the absolute piss out of me. I think he tried to jump in the golf bag. Yeah.
He might get stuck in there. Yeah, no, he can probably climb inside.
He's resilient. Sorry, we're talking about a squirrel. Anyways, yeah, so Jake cleaned this stuff, and it looks fucking fantastic. Boom. I'm actually gonna get close, show you guys the goods. So, as you can see, Jake did an absolute bang-up job on this bastard. It looks so good. Even in this terrible lighting. Ooh, that brass tag's about to come off. Don't do it. So, it looks like it's definitely going to work. The only thing that we were kind of worried about for a moment was that this plunger right here that was a pain, if you guys remember, it has a spring in there. And we debated it a little bit. And we're not worried about it. We're just not worried about it. If it ends up seeming like it's an issue, like if we try and jam the pedal and it like just tries to take a shit, or it, that's a technical term by the way, we jam the pedal and it takes a shit. Absolute worst case scenario, I don't even need to make a worst case scenario because there's no way that we can't get that to work.
No, we're all best case here.
We're all best case, so that's right. Best case scenario, we drive this thing down to the coast and we rock the 101 while chilling the most. So that's the plan. Let's go throw this thing on and see if we can make fire. Or if we get it to rev up and it does exactly what the truck did and detonates itself. So, you know, we're the big fuzzy dice.
Either way, we're eventful.
Yeah, right. It's an event. You guys get to see whatever disaster occurs. Lincoln, what are you looking for, dude? Yeah, I know. There's a lot of smells back here. Oh, no. Hop out, buddy. Shit, my foot is soaked. I put it in the wrong spot outside. Okay, so we're figuring out what's going on here. This is the fuel inlet. That is the fuel inlet right here. And that is a fresh piece. And the piece that Jake is unscrewing right there is the old one. So that line right there, that dope ass old Carter glass bowl filter, is what screws directly into here, just like that. So we're gonna do that really quick, and then we are going to actually bolt this thing in place, see if it'll pull fuel, and then I should probably get a battery. So I'm gonna find a battery, and then we'll make sure this thing has some sort of charging source. We're gonna hook everything up and give her hell. Hopefully it won't actually turn out that bad. Okay. Actually, you know what? I could go underneath and hold this from underneath.
I could turn the bolts from the top if you want.
Let's do that.
Or could we do bolts from the top?
It's pretty much a pain in the tits either way.
Okay.
I think I put that in with it, or took that off when it was hanging.
Yeah, that makes sense because it looks like it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get a wrench on that. This choke cable looks like it's broken.
I clipped it. That's a fucking action if I've ever seen one.
Oh.
What's up?
Dropped a wrench.
Oh shit.
But it's right there on the ground.
Okay. Let me. You got a magnet?
We got the extendo clip.
Oh, I can reach that. Oh, bitch. Jake, is there anything I can do?
Not right now. In about 30 seconds here, you can try and get a wrench on that little tiny line.
From underneath?
Probably from the top.
Okay, that's good. See what I mean? Like, it probably would be smarter for me to just take that section of the floor out.
This thing ran on ether before, didn't it? On starting fluid?
Yes.
So there's hope.
There's strong hope. I'm chock full of hope. Boom. Tight.
Beautiful.
Oh, God. I don't have my hand in. Would it make more sense for me to just like pull the Jeep around now?
If you want to do that, let's see. I'm just going to bump this and see what it does.
Send it.
She's probably in gear. Yeah.
Is the throttle cable hooked up?
No.
Okay.
You gotta hook up. Well, I guess it should suck fuel. So we'll watch for fuel in the bowl. We need a little pin of some kind to keep that throttle rod in. Is it too far?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh shit. Yeah, you're on the right track there. Good right there.
Okay.
Mint. We're totally mint on that.
I'll get jumper cables
Sweet.
if you want to bring the heap.
I will bring the heap. Alright. Are we doing this?
Yeah, we might want some starting fluid too.
I have some of that.
Where's our fuel?
Is that really?
Yeah.
No way. Can you see it from where you're at? That little bit of cranking.
Oh,
is...
never mind.
Okay.
It was a mirage.
Okay, it was a mirage. Okay, I will go get some starting fluid. There's a little. There's a little more. Jeep smells good. Got cans of starter fluid.
There's a little drain hole.
Throttle blade's not even open, dude. We would definitely have to adjust the throttle cable. If it tries to rev its shit to the moon.
Let's turn the key off.
Good call. Yeah, that's
Shot.
definitely. Okay, ready?
Yep. How close that choke?
That's way too much.
Oh, you're gonna have to hold it though.
Go for it. My battery sounds tired.
Give it a second.
Yeah. So, it felt like it wasn't getting spark. Like last time, a little bit, even though it ran on ether. I put the new ignition parts on it, triple checked everything, and it didn't want to run.
Huh.
And then it backfired a couple times.
Yeah, it should have done something with the starting fluid.
Right. Oh shit. I don't even know if there's.
There's no fuel yet.
Come on. Yeah.
This chair really isn't that uncomfortable.
No, it really isn't, right? It's actually kind of nice.
Yeah.
God. Hold up. The battery's fucking. That connection is smoking.
This one?
Yeah.
It's not connected very well then. There's something drawn on it right now.
Yeah?
The fact that it's sparkling like that leads me to believe.
Isn't a good sign? Sparks aren't a good sign?
No, typically no.
Okay. Well, that's news to me.
Seems a little bit better.
Yeah, definitely a little bit better. You want me to give her some, the Jeep, some beans?
Yeah.
And just like a steady maintained beans, or like?
Well, do you think it's getting spark? Definitely not getting fuel.
Definitely not getting fuel though.
No.
And that sucks. Try to find this brain. There's a quick and easy way to pour fuel in that bowl. But if it's not even starting off ether.
It's cranking okay.
Yeah, it's not cranking too bad. And it is getting spark, we determined. This makes absolutely negative sense. So the whole distributor spins
Freely?
Oh, that's a vacuum line. That's what that vacuum line hooks up to.
That random line?
Yeah.
What does it hook up to?
Oh, not this line.
Oh.
The line off of the fucking.
Oh, it's like a vacuum advance or something?
Yes, exactly.
It's pretty good. Did you try messing with the distributor? Turning it?
Yeah.
You gonna try turning it while I'm cranking it? I gotta give it some juice though, otherwise it's not gonna do anything.
It's a brain teaser.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, I don't know, it is what it is.
to resume later.
Alright, well, no luck this time just yet. So, I'm gonna rack my brain and try and decipher what could possibly be the issue. And next time you guys see me, and possibly Jake, hopefully we can actually get this thing to rip.
Run.
To run. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys got any ideas in the comments. Let us know, because we got their spark. I didn't mess with the timing at all. I guess I could double check timing. It ran before. It's not pulling fuel, which kind of sucks. I don't know. We'll see you guys around.